Yes, yes. And welcome to the sounds of Sunday. And I am your host, Scott Free, bringing you all those more mellow tunes of yesterday and today. So sit back while we bring you a full hour of jazz, R&B, and international sounds from around the world. I am your host, Scott Free. And this is the sounds of Sunday. Stay tuned.
And yes, what you just heard, you heard one by Silent Partner entitled Smoke. And before that, you've heard Doc Rock, and that one was by John Deley and the 41 Players. Back to back, starting this R&B jazz music set, there's another one by John Deley and the 41 Players called Supreme, right here on the Sounds of Sunday. Thank you for tuning in this afternoon with me for a full hour. I'm going to be out and about bringing you all the music of R&B, jazz, and international sounds from around the world. I am your host, Scott Free, and this is the Sounds of Sunday. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. And yes, coming back at you. That one was by Kevin MacLeod. That was entitled Dig Ya, from Kevin's free royalty playlist compilation. One before that on this international track, you heard one called Firmament. And that one was also back to back by Kevin MacLeod. Kevin's a pretty nice artist. He arranged a lot of music on an internet that we can download and use. But I'd like to give a shout out to Kevin. Thank you for your music. And kicking off this international set, we heard another one by Silent Partner. And that one was entitled Tribal Song. Right here on the Sounds of Sunday. I am your host, Scott Free. I'm going to be bringing you all my music tracks today. Probably need some water. But all my music tracks are jazz, R&B, and international sounds from around the world. So stay tuned. Just want to give a shout out to the American Legion Post 14 down there, to Tina and Nene, and all the commanders and members down there. I am a member of the Post 14, and we have a pretty good time down there. Shout out to the Post 14 crew. Coming up, I am a Steeler fan. We're getting ready to play Kansas City today. We're playing Kansas City today, right here on the Sounds of Sunday. So, coming up, bringing you another smooth jazz music mix. Kicking off this mix, you're going to have one by Plaza, and it's entitled Convenient Integrating Moods. Right here on the Sounds of Sunday. I am your host, Scott Free. Stay tuned. And yes, back at you. What you just heard was one by Video Tracks, and that one was entitled Heartbreak. Before that, you heard another one by Topher Mohr and Elena, entitled "That Hey Girl." Kicking off this smooth jazz set once again, as I told you, one by Aquatic, Plaza, entitled "Convenient," integrating moods. Right here on the Sounds of Sunday. Glad you can join me this afternoon, where I'm actually broadcasting live outside in my car as I'm traveling. But I am not texting or videotaping while I'm driving. That's something that we really do not need to do. It's kind of foolish because you can easily get into an accident out here. So thank you for tuning in this afternoon from 2 p.m. until 3, where I'll bring you a full hour of music that you've never heard of before. And some you have, but I will bring it to you live right here on my show. Promoting all the artists that are unsigned and signed. I like to bring all my artists up and sometimes give you a little feedback on some of the artists' biographies. Just do a little bio on them. But today I'm out and about bringing you live jazz, R&B, and international sounds from around the world. So stay tuned for more. Coming up, I have another R&B set. Kicking off, this one is Media Right Productions, and this one's entitled "Funk It Up," old school. Pretty nice track. So stay tuned for more, and I'll be right back, right here on the Sounds of Sunday. I am your host, Scott Free. Stay tuned. Jazz coming back at you. What you've heard was one by John Deley and the 41 Players again, and that one was that nice cut was entitled Heat Wave. Before that, you heard Clap Along, and that one was by Audionautics. Pretty nice track. And kicking off this R&B set, as I told you before, another one, and that one was by Meteorite Production, and that one was entitled Funk It Up, Old School. Right here on the Sounds of Sunday. Just want to give a shout out to my folks out there, my Steeler Unite You Nation fan club out there, celebrities. What's up, Cookie? Just want to give you a shout out to everybody up there. I'll be up there soon to check you all out as celebrities up there in Ukaipa. So just want to give a shout out to all my Steeler fans out there, and hope you all having a good time checking out the games. So I'll be up there soon. Hope, so save me a seat. Again, want to give a shout out to the American Legion Post 14 down there at off of D Street, 836 North D Street in San Bernardino. Directions is you take I-215, get off on 5th Street, make a right, go about 4 lights down, make a left on D Street, and keep going up, and you'll find the post on the right hand side. You can listen. We have a good time over there on Friday and Saturday nights. And I am a member, and I do help out down there. And sometimes you'll see me on the door. So come down, give me a shout out. Let me know that you watch me on YouTube on my live show right here on the Sounds of Sunday. And coming up on my last music set, I'm going to actually switch it up a little bit, bring you some more smooth jazz sounds. And this one, kicking off, is by Jungle Punks, entitled Must Be Something, right here on the Sound of Sunday. Right after that, on my last track, you're going to have another one by Silent Partner. Is a nice little track called Gotta Find Out. And ending this music set today, and my show today, I'm going to have another one by Topher, Mohr, and Elena, entitled Rubbernecking, right here on the Sounds of Sunday. Thank you for tuning in this afternoon. You all make sure you come back and check me out, where I'll be live broadcasting from different locations other than just one station, right here on the Sounds of Sunday. I am your host, Scott Free. Before I forget, if any of you want to pick up these specially designed t-shirts, it's called It Is What It Is. Let me just show you a little picture. Nice little t-shirts. I do sell them. So if you want to, subscribe to my channel, and send me a post. I'll send you a t-shirt. Doesn't matter what size, and I'll give you the information on what you need to have them shipped out to you. Okay? Right here on the Sounds of Sunday. Have a good evening, and I'll speak to you all next weekend, right here. Stay tuned. And yes, coming back at you, before I close out this music set, I just need to give you a correction update on the R&B music track that I actually did not pronounce the track arrangement right. The third song, or the music track, was Do It by Joe Bagale. And then after that, the last music set was Heat Wave by Topher, Mohr, and Elena, right here on the Sounds of Sunday. Stay tuned. Coming up, music track Smooth Jazz, track 5, right here on the Sounds of Sunday.
that just about does it for me today. I'm your host, Scott Free, and this is The Sounds of Sunday. I'm glad you came to join me today on this show for an hour where we actually exposed and promoted artists that you have never heard before. Some you may have, but I'm glad you joined anyway. So listen, tune in next week, same time, 2 p.m. to 3, where we will feature more from the archives of music and jazz, R&B, and international sounds from around the world. Again, this is Scott Free, and we'll see you next week, right here on The Sounds of Sunday. Later.